Welcome to Prudent News. First a look at the headlines. No resumption of mining till assessment by government is complete, says CM. Government will try to export dumps. Security of mining ban petitioners in question, hints Chief Minister. Fishermen outrage over shacks demolition drive on Harmal beach. More than 100 shacks to be razed. People of Kamulli along with police hunt for dreaded killer Ranjit Tuenkar. Blame police for inefficiency. Ranjit Tuenkar succeeds in giving them the slip. Economic survey. Indian economy projected to grow at 6.1 to 6.7% according to the economic survey. Core-inflation is likely to remain in the range of 6.2% to 6.6%. And Salgaonkar Sports Club slay Colombo Warriors. NRB GCA bounce back in Yes Bank GPL T20. Now the news in detail. Mining will not resume till a thorough research is conducted. Government will try to export dumps till then. These are the statements of Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar during his press briefing after cabinet meeting. Chief Minister has cautioned that atmosphere in the mining belts is becoming unstable day by day. He said one should not get surprised if violence and crime increase in these belts. While referring to police reports, CM has expressed concern over the safety and security of the petitioners who spearheaded mining ban case in the Supreme Court.
आम्ही एक्सपर्ट मनीस भितर घाल्या शिवाय मायनी चालूच करना म्हणल्या आनी ती हांव तुका इतलेंच सांगता ती कोणाक इच्छा असली सुद्धा करपाची जाल्यार हांव करूंक दिवचो ना. त्यामुळे एक गोष्ट आमी क्लियर सांगल्या की वी डोंट वॉन्ट टू स्टार्ट द मायन अनलेस वी कॅरी आउट कंप्लीट कॉम्प्रिहेन्सीव एसेसमेंट. तो पळय ताका चिंता आसा पळय ती ताणें कांयच चिंता हे करपाची गरज ना. म्हाका फक्त चिंता इतली जा की ह्या लोकांक फाल्यां सेफ्टी हांची कशी करप ती म्हाका व्हडली चिंता. अजून गोंयचो मनीस हो खूब थंड बट थिंग्स आर बॉयलिंग अप स्लोली. देट इज अ पुलीस रिपोर्ट वीच आय एम गेटिंग. इफ यू फायंड व्हायलन्स ऑर सुइसायड्स डोंट बी सरप्रायज्ड इन दॅट बेल्ट. बाकी थंय कितें जालां तें लॉ एंड ऑर्डर हांवें म्हणजे मायन हांव काय चालू करूंक शकना जो पर्यंत कोर्ट दिना. तो प्रॉब्लेम इज डायरेक्टली लिंक वीथ मायन. जालो जाल्यार करतूक वोगी रावचें पडटलें आयकून घेवचें पडटलें. वी हॅव सेड द डम्प्स वी वील ऑक्शन एंड सेल बाय ऑक्शनिंग द डम्प. की आमी अशें म्हणलां की तो पर्यंत आमी जे डम्प्स एनवायरमेंटली स्टेबल आसा आनी एनवायरमेंटली जे डम्प काडण्याची आवश्यकता आसा अशा डंपाचो अभ्यास करून एक 2-3 म्हयन्या भितर हे डंप ऑपरेट बाय गव्हर्मेंट ऑथॉरिटी. कोणाक अमक्याची मायन तमक्याची न्हय. जे सरकारी मालमत्तेन आसा डंप ते आमी डंप योग्य प्रकार जे कायदेशीर रित्या जे डंप पास जातले आनी एनवायरमेंट दृश्ट्यान जे डंप पास जातले पळय तेच डंप हालोवपाक सरकार ऑक्शन करून परवानगी दिवंक शकता. 2 months प्रायर टू हे उदक आटपाक लागलां. इट इज बिकॉज मायन्स हॅव बीन क्लोज्ड. दे आर नो मोर पंपींग दॅट वॉटर आवट इन टू द रिवर वीच दे यूज्ड टू डू. आतां आमी प्लान करता की मायनीच्या पिट्यान आशिल्लें उदक काडून दर्यान हातून न्हंयन उडोवपाचो प्लॅनिंग गोवा गव्हर्मेंट करता. नाल्यार तुमकां मे म्हयन्याक उदक दिवपाक येवचें ना म्हाका.
Demolition of illegal shacks has begun at Harmal Beach from Wednesday afternoon. Deputy Collector of Perne, Meena Goltekar, has said the demolition drive was carried out following High Court orders. Heavy police force was deployed during the drive. Fishermen community has criticized this action. High Court has ordered demolition of more than 100 shacks on Harmal Beach. Dhirubhai Tandel from Daman had approached the High Court against these shacks. Deputy Collector and his team has started demolishing shacks.
High Court orders.
कितने हैं टोटल?
Ubosa structures.
It's full day.
Full day and till completion. Full day and till completion.
Total कितले म्हटलं?
More than 100 over असतील.
Local fishermen had constructed these illegal shacks on the shore. Fishermen community is dejected with the action from the government. They are worried about their livelihood now.
ह्यो आमच्यो खोपी आसात त्यो खोपी आमच्यो सगल्यो नुस्तेकार आमी कितें करता पावसान आमच्यो होडयो भितर आसतात हे दिसांनी आमी त्यो होडयो भायर काडटा आनी भितर बारीक बारीक आतां हे फॉरेनर येयल्ल्या कारणाक लागून आमी भितर धाकलोसो एक धंदो करताल्यो आनी आतां हे दमावचे मनीस भायले मनीस येयल्यात आनी आमचेर केसी घालतात आनी आयज ते आमकां हे सगळे हे भाशेन आमचो धंदो आमचो इबाड करून उडयतात म्हाका सांग आमी खंय वचपाचें गोवोरमेंटान गेले जाल्यार आमकां कांय एक धंदो ते दिना सर्वीस दिनात आमी आनी कितें करपाचें खंय वचपाचें आमी तुमी तरी आमकां सांगात.
A reporter from Harmal, Shyam Sundar Fatte. Finally, locals are combing the forests of Kamurli searching for the dreaded absconding murderer Ranjit Tuenkar. Agitated locals of Kamurli searched vast hillock area on Wednesday to nab the criminal wanted in a murder case of a girl from Sakli. Accused has been absconding for past month and a half, had made his presence felt again by attacking a minor girl on Tuesday. Culprit managed to give the slip to the mob. People blame the police for being incompetent. Watch Omkar Filari's Ground Zero report.
People were already taken aback with the murder of a girl on Asgaon Hill, wherein she was stripped, killed and her head was battered beyond recognition. Ranjit Tuenkar was zeroed in for murdering this girl from Sakli. He was absconding since January 18th. Many locals claim that he was comfortably hiding in the hillocks of Kamurli and on many occasions found roaming free in the village. Ranjit struck on Tuesday again by attacking a minor girl while she was on her way to tuition class. This incident irked the locals and they gave out the DYSP of Mapsa Serafin Dias, demanding immediate arrest of the culprit. This incident was enough to try the patience of Kamurlikars. They picked up wooden sticks, iron rods and launched Operation Nab Ranjit Tuenkar early Wednesday morning. Police officials with battalion of locals searched forest of Kamurli for Ranjit Tuenkar. After walking miles and combing the hillock area in detail, people came up with an idea of setting the vast dry area on fire, expecting hiding Ranjit to come out of his hiding spot. But it was also in vain as they received an information that the culprit managed to slip away through a canal area. One of the eyewitnesses told us.
पट्टी बांधल्या मरे पाव कोयतो हातीन आणि पोती हादवी आणि व्हाईट टी शर्ट खंयच्या सायडीक गेलो क्रॉस जालो कॅनल वयला हांव गाडी घेवन आसलो न्हू मागीर हांवें फोन मारलो तितल्यान तो इथे सावरे मेरेन सारको पयला कितें पडलो कितें आलो तो पडलो तो कॅनल क्रॉस पळय उडकी मारले तेन्ना रेन पडलो तो सगळो माग आसा दोळा कितें जालें कपडे दोळे टी शर्ट सारके लावलेले.
Deputy Sarpanch expressed concern over security and safety of women with dreaded criminals still at large.
आम्ही आमच्या हाती भोंवना आमी लोकां हाती भोंवता कळ्ळें. आयज हें जालां पळय काल इन्सिडंट जाला पळय 12 वर्साचे चेडवाचे ते पळोवन आनी आमकां रावपा येना. आमचे भुरगीं सेफ ना कळ्ळें. ल्हान भुरगीं आतां ट्युशनाक वयताले ते जर ते सेफ ना जाल्यार कामुली सेफ ना आमची कळ्ळें.
त्याच्या भुरग्याक केला फाल्यां आमच्या भुरग्याक
हय सगळ्यांची भुरगीं एकूच न्हू.
Search and combing operation was on till late Wednesday evening. A video journalist from Kamurli, Omkar Filari.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.